Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make these cute gummy worry worms. These are perfect for kids and perfect for the classroom. You can add these gift tags like I had for my other worry worms. They are in my Etsy gift shop. The links are all down below for all of that. And they bend because you can place a pipe cleaner inside of them. And I used an e-hook, velvet yarn. They're about 5 inches, really easy to make. Great for beginners. And then you can also insert eyes. The eyes I did buy them at Amazon. Okay, so let's get started. If this is your first time doing the magic circle, I have a link down below for that. And you can also place the video in slow motion. All of my links for that is down below in the description and in the comments. So slip stitch into the magic circle, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a single crochet. I'm going to work 6 single crochet in the magic circle and then close it. Then I'm going to pull it closed and then slip stitch into the first stitch. And then I'm going to work a single crochet, just 1 in each stitch around for the total of 6. It's going to be 6 throughout this pattern. And I'm going to do that for 3 rounds, and then right around the 3rd round I'm going to add the eyes. And the eyes I did buy them from Amazon. You can work in continual rounds and use a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. Okay, I did about 10 rounds. I did the 3 rounds and then added the eyes, then added 7 rounds. So that's 10 rounds, and then I'm going to slip stitch. Then I'm going to pull through with my blue color to add color. And then I'm going to do 10 rounds of just 6 single crochet each round. And you can use the stitch marker. And then I'll add the pipe cleaner and then do a decrease round. Now I'm going to add the pipe cleaner, and if it's too long, just cut it until it fits. And then I'm going to do a decrease round. I'm going to do 2 single crochet together, decrease, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'm going to repeat that 2 more times, and this will help it close. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through and weave in all my ends. Going to yarn over, pull through, and then weave in all my ends, and then the worm is complete. Okay, so this tutorial is complete. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.